In today's video, we are going to look at an amphitheater as well as a local market, and finally we will see a museum. All in Spoleto. Welcome to Travels Are Us. When you're in Italy or anywhere in Europe, you always find a street market. And look at this street market. And then right up there, up on top of the church, right up there on top of the hill. Street markets are the place to go to. And enjoy your little Europe. People are walking the streets, the cars are coming out. So you better be careful when you're in these markets. Just look at that. You have to be careful. Yep. Here we go to the fruit market, the little fruit area. Look at that. Beautiful fruit. You got clothing, a little bit of everything. After we finished with the market, we actually went and got something to eat. It was delicious. It was one of these quasi-Japanese style restaurants. However, after that, we walked around town and then we wound up going to the amphitheater. Well, folks, we're going to check out an amphitheater. Oh, gotta check this out.
Even the tickets are pretty.
Yes, look at that. Wow.
Somebody send us more euros. We're running out of euros.
You have to pay cash. You come here, they don't take credit cards, folks. A lot of places here will not accept it. So you better carry some cash. Look at that. Oh my God, this is great. I think I'm going to perform. Hey kids, there's people up there checking it out. Wow. Look at this. We got like a, I'm not sure what this is. This is the first time I can literally say that I am going to be standing in the center stage at an amphitheater. Look at that. Let's go up here. Look at this. This is incredible. You had great performers here. Look at, I'm assuming. Look at that. And I think I'm going to perform over here. And look at this. If you come way up here, sit up here, up way up on top, it's like a little tunnel that leads somewhere. It gives you a beautiful view. Wow. And this is Roman stuff. Yes, amphitheater.
Felt you right there.
Yeah. Right there. Look at this.
The history.
And we're staying in the hotel right behind that building over here.
Yeah.
Building that you see right there, right next to it, is where we stay.
Restaurant underneath us.
Yeah, there's a Michelin star restaurant.
Every night.
Yeah. This is incredible. Look how beautiful it is. And it's €4 to come in here. Check out the museum. And it closes at noon, so you can't beat around the bush. You have to turn around and decide you're going to do this or not. Right now it's like 10 in the morning, so we got 2 hours.
Amphitheater. I guess you could see it out there without paying cover charge to come in. And look how pretty it is just to be here. This was an active Roman amphitheater. Alvin says he wants to sing. So crazy. Wow, look at all this Roman artifacts are just beautiful. I wonder what this is. See if we can see signs. Oh, it's a tour guide group up there. I guess that's where you come in. You come back in the days. Ooh, not sure where that takes you, but I'm coming. Oh Lord.
I'm going to be a part of it. New York, New York.
Can you hear it echoing? And there's that's pretty cool. Look, there's a turtle up there. I guess not everybody wants to.
Wow.
Hey, the other thing is not everybody walks around with cows. Oh Lord, Evan. You know he's so shy, right?
Here goes the steps we're going to go up. And here goes the benches. And we're going way up to the top. I feel like I'm at the bleachers of Yankee Stadium, way up on top. The old Shea Stadium, you had to sit way up on top here. Wow. Now look how far. There goes Carmen over there. You see? Look at this. I wonder if anybody actually uses it. And we're up to the top. Let's see what's back here. Well, the steps. Wow. This is incredible. It just looks. And look at, they have tunnels underneath it. So it's like a couple steps. Look at this. They got like emergency exits too. You go down to here, and I'll take you around there. It's kind of scary. Let's see what's down here. It'll be pretty rough taking these steps now. And it gets dark. There's like little walkways, all kinds of ways to get to the stage from here. Look at this. You can't really see much. But then here will take you straight to the stage. And this is underneath the bleachers, underneath the seats. I wish I could take better pictures. This is beautiful. They have lighting down here, but you can't really see much. Oh, this is incredible. Okay, this is where we exit. And that's the hotel we're staying at. It is crazy. And look at these roads. Yeah, it's right there. It's in at that hotel.
Where the Romans came to sing New York, New York.
Yes, this is where I had to come and sing. And then the famous Alvin was here. And then we had to walk up this hill. Wow. That's where the Romans hang out.
Look how cool. I was thinking this has to be old too.
Oh yes, this is all old. Look at how it connects.
I think it's from your time frame.
Oh yes, yes. I remember when this was being built.
When you were walking to school, you used to see them?
Yes, walking to school uphill both ways. You see this uphill? Inside the amphitheater, there's a little museum that you could go and visit. It actually has it broken out from a time period way back until the present. However, in the town of Spoleto, there's also other museums that are for free. And this one caught my eye. It was actually for the arts, all the performances that take place in Spoleto, Italy. They had old costumes from way back on their shows, and look at how beautiful this is and how interesting it is. If we ever get a chance to go back, we will go back to Spoleto. And I want to thank you folks for watching this video. Be safe, be kind to each other, and have a great day. Bye now.